Hi everyone, this is Mani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't worry, I'm also new here. By which I mean that this is the first video that I'm ever putting out on YouTube. Fun fact, I've already recorded this before, but I didn't like how that video turned out, so I'm just like re-recording it. But what I really wanted to do was create like an introduction video. This is specifically not to get views, not to get engagement, not to just ensure people click on it and then YouTube pushes it. I mean, I hope YouTube pushes it, but what I basically mean by this is I'll be putting out more content on YouTube, and I want one video to just talk about who I am and where I come from and why I'm even doing all of this. This is also because the kind of content that I aim to put out there, I don't want it to be all Gyan content, and I don't want it to be all content which is specific to, I don't know, learning something. I also want it to be fun. I also want it to be vlogs, and then some here and there musings and some Gyan that I've learned along the way. But largely, this video is for people who might come back on my channel if they like one of my other future videos and just are curious about who I am. And if you are that person, then hi, welcome. Thank you for watching my content so far. And if you're watching this as I'm uploading this, then hi again, thank you for being here. I'm very grateful, but I will be extremely grateful if you also hit the subscribe button. It just takes 1 minute to do it. It actually doesn't even take a minute. I think it takes like 3 seconds to do it, but it's absolutely free, and it will, I don't think that it'll do you any harm if I just appear on your timeline once in a while, but it will do me a lot of good. It'll serve me a lot, because then that's how the algo largely works. So hit the subscribe button if you're kind. If you're not, then I understand. Okay, now who I am and why I'm doing this. I am Amani. I am 24 as I'm recording this. I say that I live in New Delhi, but I actually live in Noida, which is Delhi NCR, but it's technically in Uttar Pradesh. And the thing about Noida is that, like, a lot of people in Gurgaon, a lot of people in Noida will say that they're from Delhi because it's just easier to understand. I was at this office party once where I said I'm from Noida and no one understood it. I was like, okay, no, I'm from Delhi. Do you know what the capital of the country is? Cool, perfect. But yeah, I also say Delhi because I was born and raised there. I was there for a good 11 years, 12 years of my existence. And yeah, I think that's what my demographics, so to say. About what I do in real life, I do a bit of a lot of things. I am a product manager at this Web3 company called Polygon, and I've been with them since 2.5 years by now, and that's been a stable job so far. But it's also something that's not serving me creatively a lot. Like it helps with finances, and I love my team, and I really like working with my team there. But at the same time, I wanted to also do something that fuels me creatively. So I create content, and this is, of course, the YouTube content that I'm putting up there. But I also create content with one of my friends on Instagram called Working with Coffee. Like, the name of the page is Working with Coffee, and we put a lot of corporate specific content out there, corporate startup led. So it's funny, it's informative, it's a lot. I feel like my favorite part about creating content there is that we try to do a lot of creative stuff with skits and sketches. Basically, think about how AIB was years ago. Like, I'm not comparing myself to AIB, but we're trying to keep the format similar, where it's like a sketch of two people talking and it's funny and stuff. At least for us, it's funny in our head. I also am freelancing, so I freelance with Ria, like the person I create Working with Coffee content with, and then I think we freelance with startups or individual people for their personal brand, for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram growth at large, just growth strategy in general for startups, product management, content, marketing in bits and pieces and stuff like that, and community management and engagement largely. So we do a lot of freelance, and that's also very fun because I also have realized over the years that I like being a product manager, but maybe it's not the only thing I want to do. So I am like my vertical span is not a lot, which is why I'm like creating a horizontal span in my palette, which basically means that I'm throwing a lot of darts and then seeing whatever sticks. By the way, I run 2 communities. One is called Nerds and Notes, which is largely around tech, startup, reels. Like if you come across anything that's informative in the startup space, then we share it there. And there's this community that I'm just starting off called Sushi Box, which is largely around pop culture and its recommendations. So if you're into movies, books, shows, and you just want a space where people recommend that to you and you can recommend that to people, it's actually very free-flowing. So feel free to join. For both the communities, I'll attach the link in the description, so check it out when you can. So what will this channel have? Let's talk about that. This channel will have, because I have that community of Sushi Box where I recommend stuff and people recommend stuff to me and each other, I will have something to recommend to you guys. It can be a book, a movie, a show, something like that, that I've come across in that entire week or month that I feel like you should also engage with. It can be a TED talk, it can be a YouTube video, it can be a music album, it can be anything under the sun which is art-led, which I think you should really check out. So that's one. The other thing is that I'll talk a lot about my musings, which is things I've learned along the way. I don't mean to be preachy at all. So it can be learnings and it can be thoughts. For example, in my newsletters I've written about atheism and accepting yourself and being okay with not fitting in and stuff like that. So if that is one leg of the content, which is just me journaling out loud but like on camera. And the third leg of the content will be bits about my personal and professional life. I've told you a lot about what I'm doing. I think the one thing that I missed out on, which is actually the most crucial, is that I'm also building a brand. I'm working on building this clothing brand, which will largely, initially at least, have tees for both men and women. And I just have a lot of, like, I've like the website is currently in progress, so we have so much to share. And it's basically just me working on it. My family members are helping me, but I don't have a team of outsiders as such. So creating a content page like YouTube or Instagram as a 24-year-old, creating this brand, creating communities, creating just creating, I think is what I wanted to talk about. And I feel like that's a cool journey to document. That's a cool journey to document on a daily, because my grandchildren can always look back at it and feel like, oh my god, my grandma's so cool. But no, largely also because I want to document stuff out there and I want to document my life. And I feel like it can be relatable and it can be resonating for a lot of you, because you can either be in the same boat, you can want to be in the same boat, you can also look at this boat and be like, that's crazy, I don't want to be there. But in some way or the other, it can feel resonating with you to some degree, because we're all just in our early 20s. At least the kind of content that I'm putting out there, I'm assuming people in their late teens and early 20s are watching it. And this is like a difficult space to be in. This is like a very, very confusing decade. People say it's the defining decade, but I would say that it's a very confusing decade, because you're understanding yourself, you're understanding your likes and dislikes, and that's never easy. It's never easy. So I talk a lot about that. So I think these are the 3 major legs, and then fourth can be vlogs here and there, which I will not promise because I'm not a vlog person as such. I'm just a person who will sit in front of the camera and just yap like I'm doing at the moment, but that might happen in the future. I don't want to promise anything also, because in my first YouTube video, this is just like a larger thought process I have with respect to the kind of content I feel I can create. But having said that, if you have any suggestions, please drop them down. If you don't have any suggestions, then just chill and watch my content and hit like, share, subscribe. But what I'm actually trying to say is that this is not something that I'm swearing by, because it's like an exploratory space, things might change here and there. But I feel like this is gonna be great, and I have a really, really, really good feeling about starting this out, because I'm having a lot of fun with it. I'm doing it because of the fun element. So thank you for being here. I think that's it for this video. I've yapped a lot, I've spoken a lot, but if you were here and if you were watching me for the first time, thank you for being here. And I can only hope to be relatable and resonating to you. If you want to just chat with me, I will also share my email on which you can just probably send an email, because again, I believe in the power of community and online friendships. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.